Okay, you did not just get clickbaited. I am actually going to cover a world in chocolate. Literally, a world in chocolate. I don't know, I've got 2 Easter eggs right here, and I thought, well, what can I do with these Easter eggs? I'm not going to eat them. Why not melt them into pure chocolate and put them over this world? And hopefully draw in a couple of viewers. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's do this. We're going to cover this world in chocolate, and I'm going to show you how to melt chocolate to do so. Let's do this. So I have indeed preheated that. I've got a glass dish here because I heard if you put hot water in here, boil the hot water, put the glass dish over the pan, then it will melt easier. And I've also got a little dish there. I'll put that to the side because that's for after. So here we go. We're going to fill up this pan with water now. So just about, not a lot, just put it over here, over the heat, and then let that come to a boil. So meanwhile the water is coming to a boil, I'm going to unwrap there. Lovely chocolate egg right there. Okay. Extra virgin. So the next thing I'm going to do is going to break the eggs into the bowl. Punch it like that, and it should just break. Lovely. And that'll just make things easier, and actually some of it touching the bottom and some of it not. Well, lovely. Okay, it's currently steaming right now. What we want is the water to boil, and then we'll be good to go. We'll get the wooden spoon out, this one right here, and we'll just stir it like so. Okay, so now I can start to see little bubbles appearing at the bottom. So I'm just going to shove it on now, onto the top, and satisfy it. So I'm just going to put that on there, just like so. So now all the steam. See that in there, the chocolate is starting to melt. Chocolate, it's all melted basically now. Oh my god, this is literally how you should eat chocolate. I'm gonna get the ball now. Okay. One. Oh god, it broke. Yep, that's right. Okay, move it around a bit. I'll put it in the fridge. Put that in the fridge. There we go. And I'll check it tomorrow. So, yeah. Okay, so it is indeed the next day, and I have been waiting so long for this, all night in fact, to see what has happened to the world. Here we go. Boom! No way, this is insane. Look how much chocolate. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. I'm gonna break this open, and we're gonna see what is inside and how the chocolate would have reacted to the ball. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so first, oh god, first what we need is we need a knife. Dun, dun, dun. Do not try this at home. If you are a young child, do not try this at home. Okay, it's very dangerous. Do not play with knives. But in this case, it is a scientific experiment. Twist it to try to twist it off. So here we go. Oh, that is not. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not coming off. That is so strong. So we're gonna just pry at the edges with the knife now. Try, be careful, very careful with this. Oh, it came out nicely. So we're gonna squeeze this and see if we can. Let me just shell of the world, but the world has survived. So, let me know down in the comments what you want me to cover the world in next, alright? And if you did enjoy the video, smash the like button. My name is Josh, and have a great evening. Peace.
This is why I'm hot.